I need to be honest with you, I did not take this truck seriously. I looked at the badge, I looked at where it came from, and I thought, how good can it really be? A Chinese truck with a shark name? Come on. And then I drove it, and then I stood next to it, and then I understood why they named it the Shark. Because that is exactly what this thing is. It truly looks like a shark in the water. Hungry, focused, moving through everything in its path. Like obstacles are not even real. Like the road, the terrain, the competition are all just water around it. And a shark in the water does not slow down for anything. Neither does this truck. This car looks like a magic car. Like it was built for the very first time. Like nobody told BYD what a truck was supposed to be, so they just sat down and invented something completely new. This is the 2026 BYD Shark 6 Performance. 470 horsepower, 700 Newton meters of torque, 0 to 100 in 5.5 seconds. Fastest plug-in hybrid ute on the planet. Officially towing 3,500 kilograms. Matched Ford Ranger, matched Toyota Hilux in a hybrid truck that also does 80 kilometers on pure electric. In terms of capability, this truck is the lion of the jungle. It does not negotiate with terrain, with mud, with weight. Every obstacle in front of it already knows it has lost. Inside, comfort that makes you forget there is a road underneath you. You feel like you are on a plane going on the floor. Smooth, silent, the kind of comfortable that makes you not want another seat, another vehicle, another thing. $62,900 Australian dollars. For all of that, if you don't love this car, I genuinely don't know what you love. Moves like a shark, rules like a lion, fears nothing. The 2026 BYD Shark 6 Performance. Nobody saw it coming.